For today's assignment, my goal is to make a sound with Kontakt Player 5. By looking at Mr. Roche's video, I had to make 3 files, which is line wave file and hello there Audacity file and hello there wave file. So instead of using cat meow sound, I decided to do line wave because it was shortest of all. So as I dropped my file into the Kontakt player, as Mr. Roche said, I was able to make lion sound with different tones. So if I do this, I'll make the sound a lot bigger. I was able to make the sound, but the sound wasn't that pleasant. So I guess this is like original tone for lion. You can barely hear. And then I dropped the hello there wave file to Kontakt player. Because so as it goes, as you go higher, my voice got higher than my normal sound.
Hello there.
Thank you.
못했어요.